So what is the last topic? We have done with two type of brushes in the last class, right?
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Hello,
Sir, one doubt, sir.
ask me.
సార్ మనం రెక్టాంగిల్ డ్రా చేస్తాం కదా సార్, మనం ఫిల్ కలర్ నన్లో ఉంచి స్ట్రోక్ కలర్ సమ్ కలర్ లో పెట్టి మనం డ్రాగ్ చేస్తాం. సో ఇప్పుడు నేను ఏమనుకుంటున్నా అంటే ఈచ్ లైన్ కి ఇండివిజువల్ కలర్ ఇవ్వడం కోసం ఈచ్ లైన్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసి ఇండివిజువల్ కలర్ ఇస్తాం, అప్లై చేస్తాం. బట్ అయితే సార్ అప్లై చేసిన తర్వాత బిఫోర్ దట్ కంపేర్ చేస్తే కార్నర్స్ 1 by 1 ఇవి ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతున్నాయి, అవి షార్ప్ కార్నర్స్ ఉండట్లేదు.
ఓకే ఓకే. సో లెట్ మీ నేను ఒక 2 lines డ్రా చేయాలా? సో
లేదు సార్, రెక్టాంగిల్ మీద చేద్దాం సార్.
రెక్టాంగిల్. ఓకే ఓకే, డ్రా ది రెక్టాంగిల్. ఓకే ఫైన్.
ఓన్లీ స్ట్రోక్ కలర్ తో కొద్ది సైజ్ ఇంక్రీజ్ చేస్తారా సార్? పాయింట్స్
సైజ్ కొంచెం ఇంక్రీజ్ చేస్తే ఓకే ఫైన్.
దాన్ని ఒకసారి డూప్లికేట్ తీసుకోండి సార్, ఒకటి రిఫరెన్స్ కోసం.
డూప్లికేట్. ఓకే
ఓకే. నేను ఇప్పుడు దాన్ని ఈచ్ లైన్ కి ఒక కలర్ ఇవ్వాలనుకుంటాను, అంటే 4 కలర్స్ ఇవ్వాలనుకుంటాను, ఇండివిజువల్ గా సెలెక్ట్ చేసి ఇస్తాను.
అప్పుడు ఇది బ్రేక్ చేయండి. హోప్ ఇలా బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది.
అవును సార్, బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది.
తర్వాత కలర్స్ చేయండి. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ ఏం కావాలి?
అయితే సార్ వాటి ఈ రెండింటికి డిఫరెన్స్ చూస్తే కార్నర్స్ అవి ఫస్ట్ దానికి ఉన్నట్టు ఇది లేదు కదా సార్. అవి
ఇది ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ చేయాలి. అప్పుడు ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ అంటే ఇక్కడికి తీసుకెళ్ళి ఇది ప్రొజెక్టెడ్ ఉంటుంది, ప్రొజెక్టెడ్ ఉంటుంది.
ఓకే,
ప్రొజెక్టెడ్
స్ట్రోక్ లో ప్రొజెక్టెడ్ సార్.
రెండుకి ప్రొజెక్టెడ్ చేయండి.
ఓకే, అయితే సార్ అది ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ అవుతుంది కదా సార్? అది మనం ఒకవేళ ఇప్పుడు మెజర్మెంట్ లో తీసుకుంటే అది ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ అవుతుంది కదా సార్ మరి అప్పుడు?
అంటే మనకి ఈ ఎక్స్ట్రా ఇలా కవరేజ్ చేయాలి, ఇదేనా క్వశ్చన్?
అంటే ఇప్పుడు
ముందే కట్ ఉంది.
అవును సార్,
ఇప్పుడు కట్ లేదు. సో మనకు ఆ కట్ ఇలా తీసుకోవాలా, ఇదేనా క్వశ్చన్? లేదంటే సో లెట్ మీ డూ ఇట్ వన్స్ మోర్. ఓకే, 1 minute. ముందే ఎట్లా ఉంటుంది, ఇప్పుడు క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటి
సార్? ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఎట్లా ఉందంటే, ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ మనం డ్రాగ్ చేసిన రెక్టాంగిల్ సైజ్ లో ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఉంది, అంతే కదా సార్?
ఉంది.
ఇప్పుడు మనం కార్నర్స్ ఇప్పుడు బిఫోర్ దట్ ఇప్పుడు స్ట్రోక్ లో యాడ్ చేస్తాం కదా, ఇప్పుడు కార్నర్స్ కోసం మనం స్ట్రోక్ లో క్లిక్ చేసి అది ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ అయింది కదా సార్. ఇప్పుడు అవి కార్నర్స్ అది ఎక్స్ట్రా సైజ్ ఉంటుంది సార్.
ఇప్పుడు ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ లేదు, ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ చేస్తే ఇది కవరేజ్ అవుతుంది.
అప్పుడు అది సైజు ఓల్డ్ ముందు డ్రాగ్ చేసిన రెక్టాంగిల్ సైజ్ వస్తుంది సార్ అది?
ఈ సైజ్ మళ్ళీ ఈ సైజ్ సేమ్ అవుతాయి అప్పుడు.
ఓకే ఫైన్ సార్.
ఇప్పుడు ఇది బ్లాంక్ ఏరియా ఉంటుంది, కాల్కులేషన్ ఈ రేంజ్ కి ఇది ఎంత వరకు కాల్కులేట్ అవుతుంది.
ఓకే ఫైన్ సార్. అది స్ట్రోక్ లో ఎక్కడ సార్? అది స్ట్రోక్ లో కార్నర్స్ సార్.
కార్నర్స్,
క్యాప్స్
మీద ప్రొజెక్టింగ్ క్యాప్.
ఓకే ఫైన్ సార్.
Hope this much of things are done. Now we have done in the last session with brush, calligraphy brush, art brush, and scatter brush. 3 type of brush అయిపోయింది. Then we will move to the Bristol brush and pattern brush. So let us switch to the pattern brush. Pattern brush is also required some pattern to be get used. Now what is pattern and how to make a pattern? The first question, what is pattern and how to make a pattern? Already we have learned, if we need this to be get repeat in a particular box in a fill area, then we can convert that into a pattern. So now the topic going on, how to make a pattern brush. How to make a pattern brush. Before that, we need to learn how to make a pattern. How to make a pattern. Then you can have to use that pattern inside the brush. That's why it is called pattern brush. The first question is how to make a pattern. Then again a question comes, what is called a pattern? Then we'll mind how to make a pattern. But for now question, what is pattern? Okay, just a question I'm taking, like it may be a question in your brain. Pattern is a design which is placed repeatedly in a particular place. That is called pattern. So now got to know what is pattern. Pattern is a repeated design. Repeated design which can be placed in the stroke or fill, anything. Now, how to make a pattern? We can make the pattern in 2 ways. One, we can drag and drop inside the switch panel. Drag and drop in the switch. Drag and drop in switch. to whom drag and drop the design. Design ki drag and drop cheyandi switch panel. So let us see the first method. This is the switch panel or switch window. We can drag and drop this particular design here. This is one of the method to make a pattern. Now the second method, if you're doing a circle also, we can select the design and ask to the software in the Windows menu, pattern make. Second method, object pattern make. Okay. So we have seen how to make a pattern. So either of the or way, in whichever the method we are making, it will come to the switch panel as a pattern. Now, what is the second method we have adopted? What is that method? Object pattern make. Select the design, object pattern make. Condition, select the design. Select the design. Just I'm scribbling, but you can make a good notes. In either of the word, either the first method or second method, we'll find the pattern inside the switch panel. Inside the switch panel. What is switch panel? It is a window which contains the color and the pattern in a thumbnail. Where is the switch panel? Inside the Windows menu, switch. Now we can filter the patterns only by going down to the switch panel's left side second button, filter it only the switches pattern we want. So you can see only the patterns. Exactly the same way, you can see only the colors and the gradients. So hope we have understood now how to see the patterns only. Now we have understood how to generate a pattern. Let us see the implementation of the pattern. In the before day also we have seen how to implement the pattern. Either in any design inside area, we can fill the pattern. It is a repeated design. Once we fill the pattern, then what are the things could be done? Yes, we can modify the pattern and see the reaction here. We can scale the design and you can find the patterns are skewing. It is happening because of the reason inside the edit menu, preference, general, this button is on, transform pattern tile is on. If it is get off, then if we are dragging the object, the pattern remain in the same place. So hope we have understood now how to control the pattern inside the object in two different manner. One, by control K, transform pattern, and the second, getting it off. If it is on, then it take all the transformation, the squeezing, okay, and the time come into this and corner rotate. So pattern can be rotate, scale and all, but it can be independent also. Fine. We have seen how it could be controlled inside the control K button. So pattern can be controlled. Now we are learning about pattern. Where is pattern? Inside the object and pattern. So pattern are controlled inside the CTRL plus K. It is there in your edit menu. And here in this, we can switch on this transform pattern. Right? Now the next action. We can modify the pattern by just double click over here. So let us fill the pattern, the boxes one, we can fill it. Let us make a little bigger one. and make this transform to get it off. So this size pattern is required. Though we have made the pattern very small, it is applied on the skin in a bigger way. Now it is the time to go for the modification. Have a double click on the pattern. You can see a window pop up. Here, three things can be done. Number one, the style of the arrangement of the object can be changed. Here you can find the tile types. By default, it is in grid. We can go to the bricks. The time we switch into the bricks, then we can find one brick is collaborating with two other bricks in the other sides. So it is called 1/2 pattern. And you can switch to the 1/3 pattern. So one brick may connect to two threes. So that is another different format. But yes, hope we got to know. Once brick comes, then bricks offset how much that is mentioned over here. By default, it is 1:2. So here is in grid format, brick by row, brick by column, hexagonal by column. This is another format. Once it is a circular product then or a different close steps, you can see the difference here. But for the time we have seen, yes, this many kind of arrangement are there, but you can switch into the pattern options and get it done. Now the next. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/5 pattern is visible. We need to see it still lesser, you can see it up to get an idea like how it is going to happen. So inside the pattern options, we have seen now, three things has been changed. One, tile typing. Second, the copies, how much we want. Third, if we go to the bricks, then what is the brick offset? So let us move to get confirmation done. Before done, again, you can able to do some more changes here. What is that change? Here the arrangement has been done, but if you don't like this particular design at all, then that also can be changed. Example, we want to put a tick mark here. Now it is placed the tick mark everywhere. You can get this size to down. Hope you can see now the same pattern is repeated everywhere. That means what we have understood, it is not only the pattern, whatever we have made that is final, we can customize it. And the next, you can grow it up. Here the pattern style is fixed. But yes, you can zoom it up. You can get down the size, get it rotate also, scale down also, and we can have to add more also there. So hope we have understood two part now. The style of the pattern can be changed at any time. We can add more elements over there. We can change the angle, size, thickness, everything, and the style. Get it done. Job is over. So hope we have understood now how to customize the pattern. So we have taken a little more time on the pattern side, but hope we have understood how does the pattern can be customized. Now, our goal is not to make pattern now, but to make how to use this pattern in our design. So let us make once again the same pattern. Just I'm deleting everything. And we want to make the pattern once more. What is the reason of doing this? Because sometimes we need wedding cards and all things are there where you can find a stylish bounding box and all things. A lot of designs are there. Then all the things are done through the pattern brush only. So let us see. We need the brush has to start with a rectangle or travel with a rectangle, but it should start with a star button and it should end with a circular thing. So the line, how it should start, how it end, we have planned over here. Now let us make all these things to be a pattern. As is the requirement, we need start to be a start of your brush. This line could be a middle option and the ending should be a circle. So we have done the patterns now. Now our job is to move to the brush, and inside the brush palette, we can take a new brush. Here we will ask, make a pattern brush. Job is done. Now very big window pop-ups, nothing to get worried. Here it is going to ask you by showing the position. Can you see the position? This is the start position. This is the end. In start, what we want? Star. In the end, what you want? Circle. In the middle, what you want? This middle one. So hope we got to know how to generate the pattern and how to assign the pattern by looking to this diagram. Can you see the diagram? We have not touched to the corner. Leave it up. We'll touch later. Get it okay? I'm switched to the hue shift. Already you have learned what is called hue shift. Get it okay. Now a brush is ready, which is a pattern brush. Take your brush and drag it up. So hope we have seen now. It starts with a design, moves with the particular one, ends with a particular one. And it could be applied to any design within a click. Because here there is no start, no end, only the middle portion is visible. But if you cut it up, then you can get a start and end, and you find the design. Hope we have understood now how to make multiple design onto the brush stroke through the help of your pattern brush. Hope the things are clear. Is it okay? Now the same job here onto the pencil. Just drag and move. And you can break at any time on any place and the same design will continue. So hope we have understood how to make a brush with customized design. Now let us move to the next part in a practical format of use. So if we need to have a creative bounding box, apply this to the stroke. And get the inside to be none. Start breaking this by the help of your erase tool. So easy. So make the customized design and get it back. So one of the examples we have seen, but a lot of things, wedding cards, invitations cards, birthday cards, you'll find the bounding box are very stylish. So they make this kind of things to get place in the start and end. Now we'll see in the corner. So in the corner, we need a circle to be there. So let us use the circle. Already is there. So what you can do, have a double click on the brush. Then, yes, inside the corner, what we need, that you can mention over here. Get it okay? Get the preview button on. See, does it working? Switch to this. Leave it up, none. Get it okay? Apply to this tools. So what we have seen now, what are the things we want to put in the corner, we can put in the start, can put or the end, or in the middle. So let us make some innovative bounding box. Is it clear? So, so what we have seen here nothing is repeating, but everything is stretching. So does any option available here? Let us check. What are the option over here? Stretch to fit is on, but appropriate add space in to fit, you can get it on. So what is the option? Stretch to fit and add space to fit and appropriate path. So three options are there to go for fitting, which we can able to use in the further option. Now the spacing and all things are there, scaling fixed. We can get it down. If we feel like it is not that much of thick we need, we can make it down. Yes, random with pressure can be done up that later on. So let us see what is this spacing is doing. So now you can see now in between these two design, the space sometimes overlapping, which can be increased by the spacing option. So hope these options are clear. Tint, anyhow it is on. So we can change the tint within very less time. Select and change it up. Select and change it up. So hope we have understood how does Illustrator can able to help us to make a innovative bounding box. If you have done a magazine cover page and we need a stylish bounding box, rather than downloading from the net, yes, you can able to create through the help of your what? Pattern brush. Pattern brush. Hope this much of example is reaching. We'll see some customization. Rather than boxes in the middle, we need the circle to be get continued. Then what to do? Have a double click over here. At this place, you can make the circle. Get it done. Apply it up. Now, these particular options to be think of, because here we have asked the software to get spacing, that's why it is showing. If not, then it will be more stretchy and scale will be like this. So this sometimes makes a different look. So by default, it will not there. We need to make it up. By default, it will not there. We need to make it up. So hope these options are clear now. And corner could be anything. The other corner we need the star. Get the preview on. F9. Stars are there in the corner. Is it okay? A lot of certificates and all things you'll find. A very creative bounding box they are making. And it can be timed out. Fine then. The task of the day. Task number 1. Make an innovative bounding box. With pattern brush. Hope it is clear. Let us see something on the line art. It is quite important topics. A lot of requirement in industry. It is there in companies who are selling the designs. They need designer who can create design for them. So they will not implement. They will sell directly the design, and people will implement that. So they hire designers in that angle. Fine. Just a small design, which could be a pattern first. Second, a star. And a circle. So let us use them and make a pattern. In the middle, wind is like not in the corner, in the middle, start and okay. Now you can make it symmetric first. How to make symmetric? Transform, horizontal flip, and it could be a pattern. So select and switch this to the other one. Apply to this. Now the time to get it down the sides. So hope it is clear and get it go. Increase. Maybe it is not working. So leave it up and make a cut now. Out. So it's an innovative try we have done, but yes, we can get it more down and more repeat spacing. Hope this kind of things are required, but I didn't reach to my imagination. But here you can make some other things to come in the place at the corner, something else. So that all will make the beauty onto the design. Double click, corner, apply. And make a cut. Hope we have understood this pattern brush. So we'll go for the final brush is Bristol brush. I wanted to speak more about it. Bristol means your physical brush. While you are working with watercolor and all, we use this kind of brushes, which is available in the bookstores and all. There, round brush and flat brush often used. And various type of round brush are there, long bristle, hard bristle, paint. As per that, we choose the things. So either you can choose flat or round. If it is so, then their property can be customized. So what is the advantage of Bristol brush? Till the time the ink is very thick, it will give a thick line. But slowly it will get down the colors at the end of your brush strokes. That similar impact can be created here. It is not we are dipping in a solvent, but yes, the impact we need that kind. That's why they've given this Bristol brushes. Bristol, your like physical brush conditions are there. Let us go for OK and get the impact on the screen. So as if like we are dipping the color and putting, and here the color could be changed. So hope we have understood what is Bristol brush. Then what is the controller over here? Yes, how much hard we want, how much the size to be get increase, the length of the bristles to be get long or not, the density of the bristles, more bristle we need or very less, bristle thickness, If it is very thick, then the roundness will be less, softness, stiffness. Okay, thick, more color will come up through thickness, and stiffness, the rolling will be smooth if stiffness is more. Like if the stiffness is less, then it will give a hardcore thing. So you can check on your skin, rigid, stiffness more, less, very soft one. So hope we have understood now stiffness, Bristol density, length, size, right? Size and thickness are two different things. So we need to think of this and check some different process and get it implemented, apply. So often we find the poster designs coming up. They use this kind of impact. It looks more physical, but they have not used the physical brush. They've used the digital brush. But it creates an impact of physical brush. That is the other. And the benefit of it, it is vector. You can scale to any extension, the quality will never go down. Control C T, you can see the output. So we have understood now how this impact could be generated. Right. So I don't know alphabets, but I'm just scribbling something. Is it okay? So it ends up your 5 different type of brushes in Illustrator. This is the beauty of Illustrator, and this is the strength of Illustrator. This is uniqueness of Illustrator, which makes the artistical job much more easier. Yes. If we are switching from the normal mouse to the tablet mouse, then it makes the job much more faster and easy. Now we'll move to the next higher option of the brush. So you can say freehand drawing can be done either by the pencil or by the brush or by a special tool called blub brush. What is the brush? Blub brush. It creates the impact of a brush, but it is not a brush. It is a fill. Brushes are always strokes. Brushes are always strokes. But blub brush looks like a brush stroke, but it is not a stroke, it is a fill. Now, what is the benefit of the blub brush? Yes, 4 benefit of the blub brush. We can continue the same design further by adding of the thing. So this is a single design. If the same thing done in brush, then it will be 5 design. Then again, we need to go for adding it up and all. So it takes more time. Whereas the blub brush make the fill and the benefit, it go on adding the subject till the time we are not telling this is final. It will go on adding the things. Second, we can change the brush size by open and close bracket. And yes, we can carry on this design with Alt button, smoothing out. When we make a freehand drawing, then you can have to smooth it out. So hope we have understood now what is the benefit of blub brush compared to normal brush. So blub brush allow us to make the silhouette drawing till the time we are not getting the final output. So you can go on adding the volume just like a mesh. So hope you can see how freehand drawing can be done with this, right? Next, to get it smooth, anything created either by the brush or pencil, unnecessary point can be reduced by the object path simplified. What is the option? Object path simplified. Here the software will show you few options. Get the preview on and show the original like this and get the curvature to get continue. What it's showing, before it was 59 points are there. Now the design has been modified and it is 13 points only there. So unnecessary point can be removed in this manner. So hope we have understood now how to make a rough design with bluff brush, and later on we can able to make it simplified to reduce the unnecessary point. And the next we can able to switch to the pencil and grow up the details. So hope we have understood. One give the basic shape and the other one will finish it up. Condition apply. Make the pencil to switch on this edit selected path and do the modification. Okay. Yes, the legs are too much fatty here. Can get reduced. Because the modification is under your hand at any time. Go. So the use of blood brush. Shift B is the hotkey for blood brush. Press the enter. Yes, we can switch to the pressurized thing on the sides and give the variation of 8%, 8 points. So thin design and thick design could be tried now. So these activities to draw in others, it will take more time. We can do it up through the pressure of that. But again, you need to make the fill to change. So it takes more time. Share the colors. Customization is there. Yes, we can make distance to get changed. Go for OK. Colorize option. So what we are doing, just shifting the position of your hue. So you can rotate it a little bit and get it copied and paste by Alt and drag with the Shift button. And here in the transform, you can switch to the flip horizontal. So hope we have understood how to make a symmetrical design by the bluff brush. And you can put a straight line over here. Is it okay? So a stick with a facial expression. Now we can make this into a brush. Which kind of brush? Art brush. Is it okay? Stress to fit state on scale proportionately can be used also. Now check. Same design can make us to look like this. Right? So your basic skeleton is there. Yes. Then after we can make it to go for expand appearance. And yes, you can go for ungroup, then individual approach. You can start creating his extra body part. And here the legs. Right? Yes, something to be taken care here in the downside. Get it lift the position from there to somewhere else. Because there are two lines available here. You can see by control Y outline mode. If this line is not so used, then you can remove this. And once it removed, the job is ready. You can make the pencil to get moved like this. Right? So hope we have understood how to generate the structure from this shape. And on the top also, we can see here some more options are there. You can add more and get control Y to place more once more. Control Y. So hope this much of things are done. So what is the summary we have learned today? What is pattern? How to create a pattern? What are the two methods to create the pattern? How to use the pattern inside the brush? And why to use that? Second, we have seen what is called Bristol brush. And the next, we have seen the practical use in various sectors of that particular scene. Is it clear? And at the end, we have learned one of the beauty tool which looks like brush stroke, but it is not a brush stroke, it is a fill. And that is called blub brush. And we have seen the blub brush just below to your brush called Shift B. And it is pressure sensitive. You can now take the reference of an image on the back side and get pressure and get it on. So I'll show you some of the reference. You can search in the net. My blog is there, Tapan VFX. Anyhow, it is on record. You can see it up. Blogspot.com. So a lot of hotkeys and everything I have kept over here. You can see the blog. A few more options will be there in the more post. Because now the screen is in record mode, so it is taking some time. So all the tips and tricks and the hotkeys are mentioned here. You can click and take all the hotkeys, even for Photoshop, Illustrator, After Effects, everything. My goal of showing is this. Pressure sensitive works. You can use the blub brush and start making the pressure to get work. And yes, you have taken the reference of a dancing position and make the blub brush to start off paint by taking the reference. On the behind, you can press the image and get it locked, Control 2, and then over to that, start making the blub brush to paint up. Is it okay? So get some tracing job. Then in Photoshop, later on, you can able to modify that to the next one. So whatever the things you are seeing over here is the output of the brush only. So whatever you have learned with that, you can do this. But physical art we have done, then we have converted into digital format. Hope we can get some idea what we are trying. So all the things, whatever you are watching is from Illustrator. So initially you are dragging this in physical pen and paper, then digitalizing starts. So they are like pencil art, what we start with, then we convert that into scanning, and from scanning to digital art. Hope we've got some idea what we can do with this, with the present knowledge of Illustrator. Fine then. So I'm not making you to more my screen. I'm stopping the screen here. I will meet in the next session with the higher options, and that is called modification tools. And almost like we have end up with the open and closes, still like pen tool is there and text is there, which is of this bunch, creating bunch. But we'll see that tools and the modifying tools in the next session. Well, let's stop. Any question you can ask me up, or we'll stop. Thanks.